on Diana Island to look for muskox. And when we first arrived on the island, one of the very first things we saw was a small group of 4 muskox. A big male, a slightly smaller, probably female, and 2 young muskox. And unfortunately they got wind of us very early on and just headed off over the hills. And we've been spending the last half hour trying to chase them down so we could show the students the muskox as well. It's been really challenging finding muskox here on Diana Island because it's a typically moody Arctic day, lots of fog, and the hillsides appear and disappear as the fog comes and goes, and every time we get a glimpse of a hillside we scan it and look for muskox, but so far all we've seen are the petrified muskox, which are the big rocks and boulders that really look like a muskox when you look at them from a distance, but when you get your binoculars on them you realize, oh, just a rock.
This is an adult bull muskox that died maybe during last fall, perhaps last winter, and it's obvious that it's in such good shape. I mean, it hasn't been torn apart. It looks like wolves did not find this carcass in time to eat it. There were no polar bears around to eat it, but it has been chewed a lot probably by foxes, maybe even wolverines, I'm not sure. But you can see some interesting things. The massive horns of the adult male, they have to be really hard and solid because the males butt heads together during the rutting season, and they'll often run at each other like that several times, and you need all that protection. So there's like 4 inches between the top of the bone or the horn and the brain itself, so there's good protection for the little brain. The brain's only about the size of that compared to the size of this head. The horn tips are quite sharp because if they can't sort out an aggressive encounter by headbutting, then they start to hook with the horns, and they'll run up beside each other and hook. And that's usually mortal if they get a horn in the chest anywhere. You can also see the white muzzle and the fact the muskox only have teeth on the bottom jaw, so they nip off the vegetation with the teeth, and the upper palate has a rough edge on it.